If you're experiencing audio desync issues on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. This guide will help you ensure that your audio and video are properly synchronized. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure that all cables and connections are secure. If you're using a dock, make sure the HDMI cable is properly connected to both the dock and the TV. Loose connections can cause audio desync. Step 2. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely and then turn it back on. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches, including audio desync. Step 3. Update your system software. Go to System Settings, then select System and choose System Update. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software version, as updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. Navigate to System Settings, then select Audio. Check the audio output settings and make sure they are set to the correct mode for your setup, TV or handheld. You may also want to adjust the volume levels. Step 5. Test with different devices. If the issue persists, try connecting your Nintendo Switch to a different TV or audio device. This will help determine if the problem lies with the Switch or the original device you are using. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any audio desync issues on your Nintendo Switch. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.